Believe it or not, you can make French patisserie-style cookies with just 2 ingredients. Palmiers only require sugar and frozen puff pastry. Start by sprinkling a bit of sugar onto your work surface. Then roll out a sheet of defrosted puff pastry into a 14 by 10 inch rectangle. Cover with a half a cup of sugar and press it into the pastry. Next, grab a knife and lightly score down the middle. Roll the puff pastry from one end toward the score mark. Try to make it as tight as possible. Once rolled up, pop the pastry into the freezer to chill for 30 minutes. When the roll is nice and firm, cut it into 3/8 inch slices. Then arrange the palmiers onto a cookie sheet and sprinkle with a bit of sugar. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 minutes or until the edges start to brown. Then flip the cookies over, sprinkle with the last bit of sugar, and bake for another 2 to 3 minutes. This will help the sugar caramelize and it turns the palmiers the perfect golden blonde. After baking, let them cool on a wire rack and then enjoy. Or sneak a few while they're still warm and dunk them into a cup of cafe au lait.